All right, now we're going to take a look at the maintenance module. Select that rectangle, come down to maintenance. And there's three sections here that you can look at. This first one that says show hide filters. Basically, when a vehicle comes in, if it has any codes or lights, and in this case it just says change engine oil, if you select that, you'll see it shows indicator, and then when it needs an oil change, it shows these are the things you're going to want to do for the oil change. Now, depending upon the vehicle, they'll see 4, 5, 6 different options right here that would show up. You just select the one that the vehicle says it is, and then it'll show you what it is for that maintenance code. The next section is mileage. So earlier in the training we had showed how if you typed in the mileage at that time under change vehicle selection under odometer, by typing it in here, the system already went closest to the 85,000 at 82,500 and showing me what to do at this mileage. Now if I didn't type in the mileage, then all I would do is just click where I'm going and I can see what's coming due here. So it makes it real easy to find the mileage that the vehicle's at, and you can continue going on all the way by clicking this arrow here on the right. And this vehicle is going up to 300,000 miles. You may notice on some of them that it goes beyond the original intended life of the vehicle, and it would say that Mitchell1 has added in its own recommendations for the maintenance just to continue on. So if you see that underneath here, that's what Mitchell had entered in. Now the next section here, it says time. When I scroll down here, I can see 12, 48, or 60. So basically you just select what time it was, engine coolant, air cleaner element, engine oil and filter, and you can just do that based on the time interval, and then you can select anything with a hyperlink and it'll take you to whatever that means there. Now one nice thing about this system is, let's say I choose to print. So when I selected it, now you can see here it's bringing up this mileage all 292,500, replace, reset, tires, time. So it's showing what would need to be done. This could be printed out for a technician, and then here's your notes that you saw at the bottom. As you get to the very bottom, you see this vehicle trend analysis. So it's saying when a vehicle is around those mileage, these are the things that would be replaced, right? So your vehicle here in this example is at 292,000, but we're basing on 170,000 repairs. It is saying that doesn't mean that they have to do it, but of course it would something to be looked into. So your technician, as you can see under a technician report, you can print this out so they know what you want done. If you choose consumer report, you can see it adds in some description here so your customer knows what's happening. So you can print this out and hand it to your customer. Now you do have these other tabs up here. I'll need to choose something. So let's say I choose cabin air filter. It's bringing up this here. It says information is available on specifications or information available on procedures tab. So that's these tabs right here. If I just click on this one, it moves me over to procedures and it's bringing me up the cabin air filter. So it makes it a lot easier for me to find what I'm looking for. Here's your specs. And this last one is a reset procedure, which was the same as the quick ribbon that we saw earlier. There's no reason to leave if you're right here. And so you can get the reset procedures for whatever you're working on here. So that is your maintenance module.